I am born in Kodagu. That is near Bagmanda.
Dr. Boja, Professor Bojappa.
I am Dr. Bojappa later on, but I was born as a Kaveri Mane Muttanna Bojappa.
Oh.
That place is a village called Sanna Pulikot.
Chai tulira?
Chaythola. Sanna Pulikot Annichengi. In that area, there is a big forest behind my house.
Okay.
There they used to live small statured so-called tigers.
Oh.
They are of a small nature. Puli means huli.
Oh.
Sanna Puli. My village required the name as a Sanna Puli Court.
Oh. Okay.
That is how I got the Sanna Puli Court village. Okay. We were 4 children for my father Mutanna.
Okay.
3 ಜನ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು 1 ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ನನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಕಿರು ನಾಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಕೋರಂಗಾಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ, ಅಂದರೆ ಕೇವಲ 5ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿ, ಆಗ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋ ಚಡ್ಡಿನೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ 3 ಮೈಲು ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹತ್ತಿದರೆ ಬೆಟ್ಟ, ಆ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಿಂದ ಇಳಿದರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ 3 ವರ್ಷ ಇದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಟೀಚರು ಉದಯನ ಮನೆ ನಂಜಪ್ಪ ಮಾಸ್ಟ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ಬಾಗಮಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಅದು ದೂರ ಇದೆ, 3 ಮೈಲ್ ಇದೆ, ನಡೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಸೋದರ ಅತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪನ ತಂಗಿ, ಅದು ಅವರು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಚದುಕಾರು ಮನೆಗೆ. ಚದುಕಾರು ಚಂಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ, ಚಂಗಪ್ಪ ನನ್ನ ಮಾವ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಾಗಮಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 7th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮುಗಿದ ನಂತರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ನಾನು ನಡೆದಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಭಾವ ಕೋಳಿಬೈಲು ಮನೆ ಮುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ ಅಕ್ಕನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ತಾಯಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 8th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ನಿಂದ 10th ಅಂದರೆ SLCವರೆಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿಗೆ ಅದು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಷಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತು. ಆಗ ಮಡಿಕೇರಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂತ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಗಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ಕರ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಒನ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ದೆನ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೂಸಿಂಗ್ ವೇರ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಗೋ. I was selected at that time. The Kurg was a sea state under the command of the Chief Commissioner, a retired army officer, Colonel Bedi. And I was selected at the Astwell Kurg state. I was to go to actually Coimbatore. There was a tussle and that man cheated me with some that and this. Then I had to catch hold of my close relation who was the only MP among the Kurg Gaudas sitting at Delhi. With his help, I got into the Agriculture College, Dharwad. I was the first batch of that college between 1951-54. Okay. From there, after the BS Agri Honours, I returned to one station, what is called today Kurige Agricultural Farm. I was a farm in charge as the agricultural inspector, and from there I was lifted to a research center that is called Citrus Dieback Scheme, located at Gonikappal. Gonikappal is one of the known town in Kodagu that is launched by the ICR to investigate the devastating disease what is called citrus decline, which is to take away once flourishing citrus industry, outright wiping out almost there. I was posted as the research associate, and then many people in the field of horticulture, microbiology, entomology, pathology, microbiology, all these section heads joined, and I worked under one Dr. K.M. Ayyappa, a Kurgi, a stalwart from foreign with his PhD. I worked there, and at that time, from that area, one Mr. C.M. Ponita was the Central Railway Minister. His house used to be very close to the research farm at Gonikappal, where the office was located. Okay. and he used to come as a man interested in the plantation crops, especially the Kurg oranges or Kurg mandarins, and then there developed the contacts. And then one day he was asked, where did you study and all that? I told him, then why don't you do your higher studies? I said, yes, I will do it. Then I told my wife, well, here is a big man, the Central Railway Minister, as you know, and he wishes that I must have higher studies to continue this research or elsewhere. I agreed. What do you say? Yes, ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾಯ್ತು ಅವಳು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ ದ ಜುಲೈ ಮಂತ್ ಆಫ್ 1969. That is to the Department of Horticulture in IRI. Okay, that was 1969. Then I finished in 2 years my MSc and came back. Then my wife said, well, he wants you to become the doctorate in horticulture. You have finished only MSc, what will you do? Well, if you say I should go, I will go. But ನೀನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಮ್ಮ, ನಿನಗೆ 3 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕವರು, ಹೇಗೆ ನೀನು ಸುಧಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತೆ ನೀವು ಹೆದರಬೇಡಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ಸು ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯದು ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕವರೇ ಇಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಉಂಟು, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೋಗೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಡೇಟ್ July 28 of 69. I went for my PhD selection at Delhi. At that time, there were other candidates from Karnataka, 1 to 3. I was the only one selected for the faculty of horticulture. Then I came back. It was a proud moment for, and then Ponita said, Honorable Minister of Railway, Ponita said, well, he's the only boy who has brought credit to Karnataka. You, Dr. Ayyappa, you can arrange to send him on deputation with his salary and deputation allowance. I went, packed up along with 3 children and wife who were, at that time we were living in the quarters of ICR at Gonikappal. We lived there with all difficulties. There was a problem for the children to schooling, and then we managed with that language, and I finished quite all right. Came back in 1972. I got my PhD in horticulture. Then reported at Lalbagh, and I took over the charge as the Deputy Director of Horticulture, Lalbagh Planning Section. At that time, with the help of and guidance of same Dr. Ayyappa, who has acquired the position as Joint Director, and Dr. Marigouda over him. Both of them actually supported me to go into the government and get good plan schemes for the development of the department. At that time, my friends like Dr. Soladmat of Dharwad and Dr. Patil of Geeta Chandrasekhar. 1 minute. ಗೀತಾ, ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಾಯ್. Then at that time, Dr. Soladmat, you know, G.V. Soladmat, and then one Patil, he was a microbiology professor. They were good chums, and they decided to take me to College of Agriculture at that time. It was under the University of Agriculture, Bangalore. And Dr. Arikeri requested Dr. Marigouda, well, we don't have any professor. There was one Dr. Bandari. Perhaps you know that. Dr. Bandari was taken away by Indo-American hybrids, so that post is vacant. We want, at that time, hardly very few people who held the degree doctorate. I was almost forcibly taken out there, keeping my lien for 10 years with the Department of Horticulture. If I don't like, I should come back. And if I would have come back, I would have returned as the Director of Horticulture. After going over there, that is 1972 to 75, 5 years, I worked as the professional head in the place of Dr. Bandari, who was lifted. Okay. At that time, Dr. J.V. Gowda was the head of the plant breeding and genetics. I was the head of the professor of horticulture. Like that, I served And there I did a good work. For the first time I introduced the plantation crops like pepper, coffee and other things, and wine gardens, all plantation group I did, and with the help of Dr. S.V. Patel, who was the Vice Chancellor, he encouraged to develop a multi-cropping system in an area of 500 acres, that is horticulture, then agronomy, then forestry. Okay, I did a good work, and then I was posted to Bangalore under UNDP. I served there from the year 80 to 90, 10 years, and then I retired in 1990. 1990 I retired. Now my retired life is there 1990, 10 years, and this is 26. That is 26 years, 36 years is my retired life. Afterwards, I jumped into the various social organizations like Torah Foundation, and then, as you know, perhaps I was honored for my association, and then whenever then some big programs goes with my mother Institute Agriculture Dharwad, they used to call me, and I could not go at my age. Then I used to request my writing with the present Vice Chancellor Patil. He used to put it on, and they used to hear. I used to say, I am from Kor. I am Dr. Bojappa. I was the first student of this college during the period 1951-54. I lived in this Sanapalli court and all that I told. There was a clap, all that over. Like that, that matter ended. Then I started working in Kodagu Gauda Samaja, Samaja, Samaja. With all that, you have come in the right time. I received so far 13 honors, including Kempe Gauda precisely the biggest. This is you can take it later. This is Karnataka government ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಇದೆದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅರೆಭಾಷೆ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅರೆಭಾಷೆ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ. This is 50,000 they gave in cash by check, and then realized this is the biggest one, quite valued, about 1.5 lakhs worth the things, and the foods saw that this is like that. It went on so many. From the College of Agriculture, University of Agriculture, twice Dr. Patil came and honored at my house, once there and once here. And then Thora Foundation, another organization, and our Gauda Samajas, and then Sivaramakanta Vedike, then Kempegura Prasati, there's a Karnataka Areva Sahitya Samskriti Akademi, like that. Then I told, Salam, now don't call me, I am 96, I am satisfied, thank you very much. I will be happy for all those who have honored me, considering my activity in different areas, writing and reading and dispersing my knowledge to the benefit of the younger generation. In that area, what I have been doing at present is, I collect the names of all those youngsters below, boys and girls 15 years below, in various fields, particularly Crede and then science, many things I find out from my mobile, WhatsApp, write about them and compile it and put it in some journals or something connected with our Samaja, and then talk to their parents so that they are happy that the achievement of our children is recognized by a man like Professor Bojappa. We are happy ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಹೀಗೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಜೀವನ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇವರು ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡರು. 2018 ಅವರು ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡರು. 2018 ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡರು. ಆಗ ನಾನು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಆರ್ ಟಿ ನಗರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ರೋಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 22 ಕಾವೇರಿ 6 ಬೈ ನಾರಾಯಣಪ್ಪ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು. ಆ ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದರು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನಫ್ ಇನ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹರ್, ಬಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀದಾ ಬಂದು 18ರಿಂದ ಈಗ 26ರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ವಾ. 2 6 8 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಯಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಲಿವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಹೌಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎನದರ್ 2 years ಅಪ್ ಟು 2020. ಮೈ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ passed away with the heart attack, and then her body was sent to Kolar. Then I was brought by my daughter to Anandnagar, with whom we spoke now, my daughter. I am living there, and then my old house, and here. So it is a game like. If the people here are out, I go there. If they are out, I go there. If the 3 are out, I am in the care of a hotel. This is my